Hello and welcome back to schoollife.com. This is your fifth tutorial on web design. And if you have come this far, I want to say a big congratulations because you are really making progress. Now in this section, you're going to be learning about HTML attributes. So HTML attributes, they are just like the English word or the English dictionary where you have various words and you can go there and fetch anyone you want and use them to create a sentence. So in HTML, we have various attributes which are predefined. You can't just create an attribute, they are already there. All you need to do is to get the ones you need and use them in your HTML file, and they all have their own different functions. So an HTML attribute must have a name and it must hold a value. Okay, so for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to be using the attribute called the class attribute. That's the name of the attribute, class attribute. Then how do we assign a value to class attribute? To assign a value, we impute the equal to sign, then double quotes. Then the value would sit inside of the double quotes. Now, the class attribute has a value called red. Okay, and where do we place an attribute? HTML attributes are placed inside of the opening tag of every element, or the element where you want to apply the attribute. So this is it, and it has to be separate from the name of that tag. You can't conjoin them like this. It has to be separated for it to work. Now, what's the function of this class attribute? The class attribute works this way. Assuming we have up to 3 or 4, let's say more than one h1 element in our HTML file, I want to apply different colors to this h1 element. Maybe for the first one, I want to apply green, want to apply blue. For the second, the third, want to apply red, and for the fourth, want to apply something like purple. This is where the class attribute comes in. The class attributes help us to give a unique name or a unique identifier to our elements. That's what it does, or to add functionality. Okay, using our CSS, which we are going to be doing in the next class. Okay, so all we need to do is just to apply this here, here, and here. Then we have to change the names. Blue, this is just the name, it's not really applying any color to them. Okay, then we have green, then we have purple. This is just a name, we're not applying any color to this. So in the next tutorial, we're going to be teaching you how to really add effects to our HTML elements using our attributes. Okay, there are other attributes that we can use to link an external file into our current HTML file. So this will be all for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we're going to dive into CSS, how to apply styles, and how to link external files into our current HTML file. So kindly like our page on YouTube at School Life, and you can visit our website at schoollife.com. All right, thank you, and I'll see you in the next section.